Could someone explain, can you actually get sunburn indoors?
No.
Because that's what just happened to you.
No, I was out in the sun earlier and then it just seemed to...
Oh, you can actually see down in the camera, like, it's so...
Look at this. This is ridiculous. I was out for an hour earlier on. I always wear sun cream. I've got factor 30 on all the time, but not today. And look what happened. So this is a little warning for you guys to not go out without sun protection.
Yeah. I'm gonna go home and get my sleep. I'll try to... I was just editing that video. Well, still is. And totally didn't realize it's gonna be like 7:30, which means I need to be back in church. So I haven't slept or anything, but I need to go. Oh well. Oh, let's see. Let's go, dude.
The previous visits having young people around here and in Sydney and Cologne, I've been enormously impressed with the spirit of the young people on such occasions and how we can be confident that the new generation follows where an older one gives space for them to proclaim their faith and to be the instruments of God's love in the world. And so I ask God to bless you in that position. Almighty God, in your great love, you sent your only Son into the world as our Redeemer. Through the power of the Holy Spirit, your church on earth continues to bear witness to the truth of his resurrection. Bless these young pilgrims as they begin preparation for World Youth Day. Send your Holy Spirit to be their special helper and guide. Fill them with the gifts, your gifts, to serve your people in their parish communities, that they may draw strength from your grace and encouragement from one another. We ask this through Christ our Lord. Amen.
Hey, what's up? We're in the car.
Welcome back, Carol partner.
Just finished church.
Okay. See you tomorrow then.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. The school, the Archbishop was there, so I think I got a photo with him. Oh yeah, Dad took a photo with him. It was quite embarrassing actually. And that's gonna come up right. Oh, my mom's face is gonna cover mom's face. There you go. See there, and there's the Archbishop of Glasgow, isn't it? There you go, right there. Yeah.
Just gotta fit the photo in your face.
Or I can put it in your face, Alex. Right, Alex. There we go.
What photo? How would you do that?
Editing. So yeah. Anyway, we're gonna go home. Bye.